Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Ultimate Guide. This topic is about list data type in Python. So, what is list data type in Python? Lists are just like the arrays in other programming languages like C++, Java, but we call this list in Python. So, it declared in other programming languages that is array. Okay, so it just of order to collection of the multiple data and that is represented in the square bracket. So, example, in the square bracket, there can be multiple data type that holds. That can be hold numeric, that can be hold strings, that can be hold tuple, that can be hold set, that can be hold that dictionary. So that can hold any data types inside the list, and that should be separated by a comma. All right. So if I not include comma, so that will be concatenating between this number and string. If that number is in string, so that will be concatenation between number and string. So, so if I do not want to concatenation between number and string, then I should give a comma. All right. So for example, here, so let's say I have a variable which is list one, and let's say that is giving in and that represented in as I told you that I square bracket. In square bracket I pass a string, let's say coding ultimate. Okay. So that is my in the string format. If- So if I run this print this one, it will give me the output as a coding ultimate, right? That is on inside the list. Okay, so if I'll not give any string inside this, it will give me the error because this coding ultimate guide is not defined, right? So that invalid syntax error because this is not defined, so that's why it should be in the string. All right, so I can also pass multiple strings as I told you that that contains multiple elements or multiple objects or multiple data. So let's say I will list two, and that is let's say list two audio, another is net, and another is height. Right? So that contains multiple strings. Okay. If I print list two, it will give me the output that is coding ultimate guide with different commas or multiple commas. All right. So what if I not giving the string, sorry, not giving the comma, so what it will give me the output? As I told you here in the example, if I not give any comma, so it will concatenations between string and the string. So here that concatenation between first string and second string is coding and ultimate, so that will be add coding ultimate in comma guide. So run this, the concatenation between first string to the second string, that is coding ultimate, and second is that's present comma, it gives the comma and the guide. All right, and also I can pass the strings as well as, sorry, numbers as well as, let's say numbers, let's say coding, I have a number it will be in the string format, say guide. Okay, so if I'll print like this, print is 3, it will give me the output as coding 3 guide. Okay, so I can also, if I not give the string the number, it will give me the coding 3 guide. Run this, it will 3 guide. If I not give the just like this the comma, so it will give me the error because the concatenation should be the string versus string, not string with integer. Okay, but you run, it will give me the error. This is the syntax error, invalid syntax, because the concatenation cannot be done between string and integer. The concatenation between can be done string with string. Okay, so if I give the string, it will be concatenation between the coding and 3 because Here the string and here the string. So run this, here the coding string, right? All right. So this is my list, and as you know that, also I'm just telling you that what is indexing in Python. That indexing always start with the first, which is called as 0. Second one is called as an 1, and last one called as a 2. So first should be start with 0, second 1, third is 2. And next thing is the list. Some rule there is list rule. There are few rules in list, that is list can be edited, editable, or mutable. The mutables means that can be edited or modified. The same thing is editable. Okay, so list can be editable or changeable. So this is the first rule of list. And the, for example, I can edit the list. Let's say list 3. So I want the first index should be changed. Let's say my first index is coding. So first index is 0. 0 means that is coding. 0 means this is the string which is coding. I want to change in the, let's say, hello keyword. Okay. So here I change in the first index to the hello string. If I do print history, it will give me the hello 3 and guide. It should be a comma. Let's say comma. Here run this, it will give me the hello 3 and guide, because as I told you that list can be editable or mutable. So I change the first index, which is my coding, to the hello. I replace the first index to the hello. Okay. So here is the first rule of list can be editable or mutable. Okay. And it's all, so that's why it is mutable editable. So the indexing is allowed in the list. And second rule is indexing allowed in the list. That's why it's changeable. Okay. So this is the topic of list, list in Python. So this is the example of list. So next we will talk about the tuple in Python. Okay.